Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so today we learn about complex number. So what is it actually complex number? So complex number is a combination of a real number and an imaginary number. Okay, so the standard form of complex number is a plus b I, where a is real part and b I is imaginary part, and I is defined by square root of negative 1, and I square is equal to negative 1. Why? Kenapa? So I is equal to square root of negative 1. So I square equal to square root of negative 1 square. Square root and square cancel. So the answer is negative 1. Okay, so here an examples of complex number. So 3 minus 4i, 1 plus I, negative 6 plus I, 8 minus 7i. So 3, 1, negative 6, all of this one is real part. Negative 4 imaginary part, positive 1 imaginary part, here also positive 1 imaginary part. So negative 7 also imaginary part. Okay, so yang ada I itu semua imaginary part. Okay, so next, equality of complex numbers. Okay, so if a plus bi equal to x plus y I, so then a equal to x and b equal to y. So faham ke tak? Okay, so kat sini kita ada sebelah kiri and here sebelah kanan. Okay, so sometimes kita akan ada masalah seperti x plus y I equal to 3 minus 2i, and then solve for x and y. Okay, so kadang masalah kita akan sampai ke bahagian ni. So nanti ada contoh dia, dia jadi macam ni. Okay, so macam nak selesaikan x dan y, so we take a real part with real part. Okay, so bahagian ni real, kita samakan. So meaning that x equal to 3 and imaginary part with imaginary part. So we have here y equal to negative 2. Okay, so dah selesai. Okay, so tu yang dimasukkan, a equal to x and b equal to y. Okay, so real part is equal to real part, equal, and imaginary part equal to imaginary part. Okay, so equal. Okay, so nanti kita tengok contoh. Okay, so next. Okay, so sama macam seperti nombor biasa. So in complex number we have its operation. Okay, so dia pun ada operasi dia, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also division. So division nanti dia lain sikit. Okay, so addition, so seperti nombor biasa kita tambah macam biasa. The only thing here, real part plus by real part. Okay, so a and x kita tambahkan. Okay, and then plus by, so this one is imaginary part. So imaginary part, positive b and positive y, we add here. Okay, so example this one, so 2 minus 3i plus 1 plus I. Okay, so real part plus by real part, so you have 2 plus by 1, and then plus imaginary part with imaginary part, which is negative 3, plus by positive 1, and I. Since imaginary part, so it has I here. Okay, so the answer is 2 plus 1, 3, plus by negative 3 plus 1, negative 2, I. So positive and negative, so we have 3 minus 2, I. So subtraction also same, so real part with real part, imaginary part with imaginary part. Okay, so minus. Okay, so real part negative 1 minus by 2. Okay, so negative 1 minus by positive 2, and then plus by positive 3, imaginary part, so positive 3 minus by negative 6, and I. So the answer is negative 1 minus 2, negative 3, plus positive 3 minus minus plus, so 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, so negative 3 plus 9, I. Okay, so next, multiplication. Okay, so for the multiplication, okay, so for multiplication you need to expand macam kuasa 2 tu lah. So a times by x, okay, so ax, and then a times y, positive yi, so positive ay, and then positive bi times by x, so positive bxi, okay, and positive bi times positive yi, so we have positive by I power of 2, because I times by I square, and we know that I square is equal to negative 1, so substitute here. Okay, so next, collect the real part with real part. Okay, so this one real part and real part, imaginary part with imaginary part. Okay, so you have here ax, positive and negative, so negative minus by, so ax minus by, and then plus ay, so ay, positive ay, so ay, plus, so positive bx, so plus bxi. Okay, so kita applykan, so kita tengok kat sini. So example, so negative 2 times by 3, so we have negative 6, then negative 2 times by positive 9i, so negative 18i, and negative I times by 3, so negative 3i, and negative I times by positive 9i, so we have negative 9i power of 2, so we have here negative 6, negative 18i minus 3i, so we have negative 21i, and negative 9i square is negative 1, so negative 9 times by negative 1, so we have here negative 6 minus 21i, so negative 9 times negative 1 is positive 9. Okay, so negative 6 plus by 9 is 3 minus 21i. Okay, so another example. Alamak sir, ni ada I je, macam mana? So jangan risau, same, expand this one. So I times by 3, so 3i, and then I times negative I, so we have negative I power of 2, so you have here 3i, negative I power of 2 is negative 1, so you have here 3i plus by 1. Okay, so susun semula 1 plus 3i, okay, So plus ni sebab depan dia positif ni. So bukan plus yang ni So yang ni positive 1. So we come here positive 1. Okay, so another example. Okay, so this one also multiplication. Okay, so the question tell us here a plus bi times by 3 minus I is equal to negative 3 plus 11 I. Okay, so question want us to solve for a and b. Okay, okay, so yang sini dah tak ada apa-apa masalah nak selesaikan, cuma yang sebelah kiri ni lah darab, so kita kena kembangkan. Okay, so a times by 3, so we have here 3a, and then a times negative I, so negative ai, and then positive bi times by 3, so we have positive 3bi, and then positive bi times by negative I, so we have negative bi power of 2, and then substitute I power of 2, which is negative 1. So we have here 3a minus ai plus 3bi minus b times negative 1, and then collect real part with real part. So 3a negative b times negative 1 positive b, and then here so just put plus. Okay, so next here imaginary part, so positive negative a. Okay, so bring here negative a, and then positive 3b, so plus 3b, so I we put outside. Okay, so we have here 3a plus b plus negative a plus 3b I equal to negative 3 plus 11 I. Okay, so to solve a and b, so we take the real part on left side equal to real part on right side. Okay, so kita guna tadi yang mana tadi? Equality of complex number. So kita pakai yang ni, equality of complex number. Okay, so real part bersamaan dengan real part, imaginary part bersamaan dengan imaginary part. Okay, so therefore here 3a plus b is equal to negative 3, and negative a plus 3b is equal to 11. Okay, so here 11, and here is negative 3. Okay, so we have two equation here, so we need to solve by simultaneous equation. Okay, so equation number 1, equation number 2. Okay, so from equation number 1, okay, so I have b equal to negative 3 minus by 3a. Okay, so 3a ni saya bawa bagi ke kanan. Okay, so dapatlah b sama dengan negative 3 tolak 3a. Okay, so equation number 3. Next, substitute equation number 3 into mana 1. Okay, so jangan 1 dah pakai untuk cari b, so we substitute into number 2. Okay, so we have a negative a plus 3b, so b is negative 3 minus 3a equal to 11. Okay, so selesaikan. So negative a positive 3 times by negative 3, so negative 9, and positive 3 times by negative 3a is negative 9, a equal to 11. So we have here a minus 9a, negative 10a, and positive 9 bring to the right, so 11 plus by 9, which is equal to 20. So a is equal to 20 divided by negative 10, negative 2. Okay, so dah dapat a, cari b. Okay, so from 3, okay, so from equation number 3, b is equal to negative 3 minus 3 times by a, which is negative 2. So berapa jawapannya? Negative 3 times negative 2 positive 6. Okay, so the answer is 3. Okay. Okay, so next, so tadi kita dah ada addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, so now magnitude. Okay, so magnitude and conjugate. So what is magnitude? So magnitude actually it is the distance between the origin and the point A, B. Okay, so this one imaginary complex number in complex plane. Okay, paksi X dia jadi real part, okay, and paksi Y dia menjadi imaginary part. Okay, so imaginary part is B, so B, and real part is A, so here A. Okay, so we can draw a line from origin until point A, B. Okay, so line ni mewakili kompleks number Z ni lah dalam kompleks plane. Okay. Okay, so therefore to find the length of this line we use square root of A square plus B square. Okay, so dia sama macam apa ni, theorem Pythagoras. Okay, so this one length here is A and here is B. Okay, so to find magnitude here is square root of A square plus B square. Okay, okay, example. Okay, so find the magnitude of 3 plus 2i. Okay, so equal to square root of 3 square plus by 2 square. So I jangan ambil lah, kita ambil 3 dengan 2 nombor dia je. Okay, so refer pada ni tadi yang saya lukis, dia panjang dia sini A, tinggi dia B. So kita ambil nombor dia, I dia tak ada. Okay, so dapatlah square root of 13. So next, second, magnitude of negative 2 plus 2i, so equal to negative square root of negative 2 square plus 2 square. Okay, so negative 2 square 4, 2 square 4. So 4 plus by 4 is 8. So the answer is square root 8. Okay, so next, magnitude of 3 minus 4i. Okay, so equal to square root of 3 square plus by negative 4 square. So 3 square is 9 plus by negative 4 square is 16. So equal to square root of 25. So the answer is 5. Okay, ada nak tanya kenapa positif 16 sedangkan sini ni negatif? Okay, so ni negatif 4 kuasa 2. So what is the meaning of negative 4 power of 2? So negative 4 power of 2 is equal to negative 4 times by negative 4. Okay, so the answer is negative times negative, positive 4 times 4, 16. Okay. So kenapa kalkulator bagi jawapan negatif? Itu sebab korang tekan kalkulator negatif 4 kuasa 2. Okay, so yang dikuasakan 2 oleh kalkulator hanya yang ni sahaja. Okay, so salah tekan lah. So kalau dalam kalkulator nak tekan, tekan macam ni, bracket negative 4 power of 2, baru dapat positif 16. Okay, okay, so next, ni saya explain ni sebab pengalaman saya lah, ramai student buat macam tu lah. Okay, so dia akan dapat sini negatif, so tu salah lah. Okay, so next about the conjugate. Okay, so conjugate. Okay, so if Z is equal to A plus BI, then its conjugate is, ni Z, atas ni ada palang garis ni melambangkan conjugate. Okay, so the conjugate of Z is given by A minus B I. So palang atas ni melambangkan conjugate lah. Kita nak conjugatekan kompleks number ni. So A minus B I. Okay, so tengok ni simbol dia, positif become negatif. So positif jadi negatif. Yang dekat mana? Dekat imaginary part. Okay, imaginary part, bukan real part. So simbol dekat real part ni takkan berubah. So yang berubah hanya simbol pada imaginary part. Okay, so ni saya pun dah tulis, imaginary part has opposite sign. Okay, opposite symbol. Okay, so example here, let's say z equal to 4 plus 6i. So the conjugate of z is 4 minus. Symbol here negative, so here is minus. Okay, so tengok imaginary part. Real part jangan usik simbol dia, sama sahaja. Okay, ni nanti ada yang usik ni. Okay, so b positive 6i. Okay, so here become negative 6i. Okay, so negative 4 sama, negative 4 tak berubah. C 4 minus 6i, so 4 plus 6i. D negative 4 minus 6i, so here z conjugate equal to negative 4 plus 6i. Next, E z equal to i. Macam ni tak nampak pun macam E tambah bi. So ikut konsep dia tadi, apa yang kita ubah simbol? Imaginary part. So ni kita ada imaginary part sahaja, so therefore mana? So z conjugate is equal to negative i. Okay, so tadi positif, sini negatif. Okay, so F also same, so z equal to negative i, so z conjugate is positive i. Next, z equal to negative 4i, so z conjugate is positive 4i. Okay, so seterusnya baru masuk division. Okay, so kenapa lepas multiplication tadi saya tak masuk division? Sebabnya kita kena gunakan conjugate untuk buat division ni. Example. Okay, so division of complex number can be solved by rationalization. So apa maksud dia? So simply multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Okay, so let's say z complex number z1 equal to a plus bi and z2 equal to c plus di. Okay, so then z1 divided by z2 is equal to a plus bi divided by c plus di. Okay, so macam mana nak bahagikan? We times by conjugate of denominator. Okay, so conjugate of denominator positive become minus. Okay, so c minus di. Since denominator times by this conjugate, so numerator also need to times with the same conjugate. Okay, so conjugate denominator, c tolak di, ni pun c tolak di. Okay, so jangan buat a tolak bi pula sini. So a tolak bi, yang ni salah. So bawah darab yang ni, atas pun sama. Okay, so conjugate of denominator. Okay, so after that so selepas itu you need to expand. Okay, a plus bi times by c minus di, c plus di times by c minus di. Okay, so when you expand you will obtain this one. So macam mana tu? Okay, so kita tengok sini numerator. Okay, so yang atas saya buat satu-satu lah. So a plus bi times by c minus di. Okay, so a times by c, so we have here a times by ac, and then a times negative di. Tak nampak sebab dia dah masuk sini. Okay, saya buatlah sini ac, so a times di negative a di. Okay, and positive bi times by c, so positive bci, and positive bi times negative di, negative bd power of 2. Okay, so again I power of 2 is negative 1. So you have here ac minus adi plus bci minus bd times by negative 1. Okay, so next collect a real part with real part. So ni ada I, ni ada I. Okay, so you have here AC negative positive BD. Okay, so AC plus BD. then at the middle plus. So plus negative AD plus by BC in bracket I. Okay, so you have here BC minus AD. Tak ada masalah. Negative AD plus BC pun boleh. Okay. So we have this one. Okay, so denominator, kenapa dapat C square plus D square? Mana I tu hilang? Okay, so kita tengok yang denominator pula. Okay, so denominator C plus DI times by C minus DI. So C times C, C square. C times negative DI, so negative CDI. And then positive DI times by C, positive CDI. And then positive DI times by negative DI, so negative D square I square. Okay, so this one negative CDI plus CDI become 0. Okay, so hutang sebanyak CDI, lepas tu bayar balik sebanyak CDI, so jadi kosong. So you have here C square minus by D square, I square is negative 1. So you have C square plus by D square. So you have this one. Okay, so kita tengok ni contoh. Okay, so example. Okay, so divide Z1 which is equal to 4 plus 6i with Z2 equal to 2 minus 3i. Okay. Okay, so in order to divide, okay, so 4 plus 6i divided by 2 minus 3i. So what we need to do? We need to multiply by conjugate of the denominator. Okay, so 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i times by 2 plus 3i. So yang atas pun sama, 2 plus 3i. Okay, so next expand. Okay, okay, so 4 times by 2, so we have 8. And then 4 times 3i, we have positive 12i. And then positive 6i times by 2, we have positive 12i. And then positive 6i times by positive 3i, we have positive 18i power of 2. Divide by denominator also same. 2 times by 2, 4. And then times by positive 3i, so positive 6i, and negative 3i times by 2, so we have negative 6i, and negative 3i times by positive 3i is negative 9i power of 2. So equal to 8. Positive 12i plus 12i is positive 24i. And then positive 18. Okay, so positive 18, I square is negative 1. Okay, so positive 18 times by negative 1. So divide by 4. 6i minus 6i, 0. Okay, so next 6 minus 6i, 0. And then here minus 9. And I square is negative 1. So you have here 8 plus 24i, positive 18 times negative 1, so negative 18 divided by 4, negative 9 times negative 1, positive 9. Okay, so you have here 8 times by 18 is negative 10 plus 24i divided by 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay. Lepas tu pecahkan satu per satu. So negative 10 over 13 plus by 24 over 13 I So untuk simplifykan pecahan yang macam ni, kadang saya ada nampak pelajar buat salah. Ni contoh bukan, dia tak ada kaitan dengan complex number. So dia buat salah macam ni, x plus 2 over x. So dia cancel ni. So ni tak boleh cancel So jadi entah apa yang tadi tulis, x tambah 2 ni salah Ataupun kadang dia buat 4x plus 3 over 2. So this one dia cancel, become to 1. So jadilah 2x tambah 3. So this one wrong, salah, tak boleh. Kenapa? Sebab divide by 2 bukan 4x sahaja, 3 ni sekali. So 3 ni pun dibahagikan dengan 2. Kalau nak simplify, dia akan jadi macam ni. So 2x tambah 3 per 2. So yang ni baru betul. So berhati-hati untuk yang ni, jangan suka-suka simplify. So next, power of I. So power of I, so we have I which is equal to square root of -1. Alamak, saya punya susunan tak cantik pula. So I equal to square root of -1. And then first, I square is equal to -1. And then I power of 3. So I power of 3, you can do it as I times by I square. So I square is -1. So that's why you have here negative I. And then I4. So I4 you can do it as I power of 2 times by I power of 2. So I power of 2 is -1 times by -1. So which is the answer is 1. So or you can do it I power of 4 equal to I times by I power of 3. So the answer is I power of 3 is -I. So equal to positive negative I times I square. So I square is -1. So negative times by -1, which is equal to 1. So also can. So contoh, compute 3i power of 16 plus 7 times by I power of 11. So kita kena permudahkan dulu. So 3i power of 16. So ni kena pecahkan kuasa indeks. So kena ingat balik lah indeks dulu macam mana. So I power of 16. 16 is 8 times by 2. So I power of 2 and then power of 8. Betul tak? Sebab 2 kali 8 dapat 16. So I power of 2 nanti kita boleh ganti dengan negatif 1. Plus by 7 I 11. Boleh ke pecah macam berapa darab berapa? Tak boleh kan? Sebab 11 ni nombor perdana. So you can do it as I power of, ikutlah tak kisah. Kalau ingat power of 4, so I power of 4 plus by 4 tambah berapa dapat 11 plus by 7. So tapi 7 so 7 nanti kena pecahkan lagi lah. Kalau tak pun nak tulis macam ni, I power of 4 times by I power of 4 times by I power of 4 tambah 4 8. 8 tambah berapa 11? 3. So kenapa saya ambil I kuasa 4? Sebab kita nak 1 ni. Sebab saya nak 1. So 1 nanti senang nak kira. Sebenarnya tak kisahlah nak pecah berapa-berapa ni. So the answer is 3. I power of 2. I power of 2 is negative 1. And then power of 8 plus by 7. I power of 4 is 1. And I power of 4 is 1. And I power of 3 is negative I. Okay, so you have here negative 1 power of 8 is 1, so the answer is 3. Then 7 times 1 times 1 is 7. Negative times positive, negative. So minus 7I. Okay. Okay. Okay, so biasanya kita tengoklah kat sini Sekejap Okay, so I equal to square root of negative 1. I square is equal to negative 1. I power of 3 is equal to negative I. I power of 4 is equal to 1. I power of 5. So I power of 5 is equal to I times I power of 4, which is equal to I lah. So I power of 5 equal to I times by 1 lah. Okay, so I power of 6, so equal to I times I power of 5. I power of 5 is I, so which is I times by I. So I square is negative 1. Okay, so kalau kita tengok dia akan rotate macam ni. So I ni I equal to square root negative 1 ni boleh tulis I. So I square is negative 1. I3 is equal to negative I. I4 is equal to 1. And I5 dia patah balik kepada I. Nampak? I5 patah balik pada I. I6 equal to berapa? I6 is negative 1. Ni tadi saya salah, ni negative 1. Okay. So dia patah balik I negative 1. I7 nanti dia akan jadi negative I8 lah akan jadi 1. Okay. So cukup hanya ingat yang ni sahaja. Okay. Okay, so kaitkanlah dengan I kuasa 1, I kuasa 2, 3 dan 4 ni. Okay, so kita tengok yang nombor 2 seterusnya. So this one. So equal to 7. So I power of 7. So 7 ni kita tak boleh nak buat berapa darab berapa. So bila tak boleh buat berapa darab berapa, kita pecahkanlah I power of 3 and I power of 4 lah. Because 3 plus 4 is 7. And then minus by 3 I power of 3. Okay. So equal to 7 I power of 3 is negative I. And I power of 4 is 1. Minus by 3 I power of 3 is negative I. So we have here 7 times negative I, negative 7I times 1. So negative 7I. So negative 3 times negative I, positive 3I. Okay, so the answer is negative 4I. Okay. Okay, so saya buat baliklah yang nombor 1 tadi untuk lebih faham. Okay, so 3I power of 16. Okay, so 3I power of 16. So I power of 16 ni boleh pecah 2 times by 8 2 times by 8. So I power of 2 power of 8, sebab 2 kali 8 16. Okay. So saya pecahkan 2 sebab kat sini saya hafal I 2. Nak pakai 4 pun boleh. Okay, so kita tengok 4 pakai 4. So I power of 4. Okay, so 4 times what is 16? So 4 times by 4 plus by 7 times by I 11. So 11 kita tak boleh nak buat berapa darab berapa. So kita just pecah I power of 4, I power of 4 and I power of 3. 4 tambah 4 8, 8 tambah 3 11. Ini hukum indeks lah. Bila didarab, kuasa kita akan tambah. So we have here 3. I power of 4 is 1. Okay, so power of 4 plus 7 I power of 4 is 1. I power of 4 is 1. I power of 3 negative I. Okay, so we have here 3 I power of 4 is 1 times 1 power of 4 is 1. So the answer is 3. And 7 times 1 times 1 is 7. Times by negative I. So negative 7I. So we have here 3 minus 7I. Okay, so that's all for this topic. Thank you and see you again later. Assalamualaikum.